अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. Wishing you all a blessed Guru Purnima of this year. Let us know about this special day and its importance. On the full moon in the month of Ashada every year, called as Vyasa Purnima, we pay our respects to the great Guru Vedavyasa. We are offering sacred puja titled as Vyasa Puja. Vedavyasa has brought about everyone's welfare by offering the path for supreme knowledge and values through the 4 Vedas, Upanishads, Brahma Sutras, Mahabharata and the Puranas.
Guru in Sanskrit means the one who removes darkness. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, every year we offer our most respectful pranams to our teachers. Our gurus are our mentors, our torch bearers towards attaining the supreme knowledge. We live our life to the fullest in the limelight of their blessings. Let us now listen to this special message by our respected principal, Sri Sunil Chakku sir, on the special day of Guru Purnima.
A very good morning and namaste to one and all. So it's my absolute pleasure to wish all the teachers and students all the very best of our Guru Purnima. So as you know, the Guru Purnima signifies the relationship between the teacher and the students. So this is the day where the students can express their gratitude, express their love, express their reverence to the teachers. So our school is concerned, before the COVID time, we usually conduct a lot of programs at the school. We definitely do the floral tribute at the Vyasa Vigraha just behind me. Also, we honor a lot of things to the teachers on that day. But because of the virtual platform, virtual classroom, it's not possible. But still, you can honor your teachers by sending a voice message or an e-card. So this is what we expect. So anyway, once again, I wish all the students and teachers all the very best of the Guru Purnima. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for gifting us a beautiful message on this Guru. Throughout our life, we are indebted to our gurus in the form of our parents, our teachers, our elderly mentors. It is indeed their unconditional love, care, discipline, training, and the shower of blessings that drive us all through the path of knowledge. We are what we are because of our Guru's grace. We are to achieve great heights in character, knowledge, and skills in future too with the grace of our Gurus. Let us unitedly pay our humble pranams to our Gurus on this special Guru Purnima and seek their blessings. Guru Ashtakam by Sri Adi Shankaracharya reminds us the importance of pure devotion towards our Guru as the most important value. The Guru Ashtakam.
Shariram swarupam tadha va kalatram yashasharu chitram dhanam merutulyam Gururam kripatme manashena laknam tadakim 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 Kalatram dhanam putra pautradi sarvam graham bandhava sarvamedadvijatam Gururam kripatme manashena laknam tadakim 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 tadakim
षडङ्गादिवेदो मुखे शास्त्रविद्या कवित्वादिगद्यं सुपद्यं करोति गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् विदेशेषु मान्य स्वदेशेषु धन्य सदाचारवृत्तेषु सक्तस्तथापि गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्
क्षमामण्डले भूपभूपालवृन्दे सदा सेवितं यस्य पादारविन्दम् गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं तदा किं तदा किं तदा किं तदा किम् यशो मे गदं दिक्षु दानप्रदाप जगद्वस्तु सर्वं करे यत्प्रसादः गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं तदा किं तदा किं तदा किं तदा किम्
न भोगेन योगेन वा वाजिराजौ न कान्ता सुखेनैव वित्तेषु चित्तम् गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् अरण्येन वा स्वस्य गेहेन कार्ये न देहे मनो वर्तते मे त्वनर्ध्ये गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्
By paying our sincere respect and humble pranams to our Guru, let us seek our Guru's blessings, devote our mind towards ever-shining virtues. The Guru Paduka Stotra. Ananda samsara samudratara naukaidabyam Guru Bhakti Dabyam Vairagya Samrajyada Pujanabhyam Namo Namaha Shri Guru Padugabhyam
Kavitvavarashini Shakarabhyam Daurbhagyadavam Bhutamanikabhyam Durikritanamra Vibhaktidabhyam Namo Namaha Shri Guru Padugabhyam
Natayo Shri Patitam Sameyo Kadachidapyashu Daretravarya Mukasya Vachas Patitam Hitabhyam Namo Namaha Shri Guru Padukabhyam Nalikaniकाशपदाहृदाभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमज्जनाभीष्टतदिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
नृपालिमौली व्रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराज चषकन्यकाभ्यां नृपत्वनाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्तेः नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहेन्द्रखगेश्वराभ्यां जाड्यां संशोषणवडवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
क्षमादिषट्क प्रथवैभवाभ्यां समाधिदान प्रददीक्षिताभ्यां रमाधवान्ध्रस्थिरभक्तिदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
स्वाचात् पराणामखिलेष्टताभ्यां स्वाहा सहायाक्ष दुरन्दराभ्यां स्वान्ता च भाव प्रदपूजनाभ्यां नमो गुरुपादुकाभ्यां
कामादिसर्प व्रजकारुणाभ्यां विवेकवैराग्यनिधि प्रदाभ्यां बोधप्रदाभ्यां धृतमोक्षदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः.
പ്രിയ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, ചിന്തയിലും വാക്കിലും പ്രവൃത്തിയിലും നന്മ നിറയുമ്പോഴാണല്ലോ ജീവിതം അർത്ഥപൂർണമാകുന്നത്. നാം ഏവരെയും നന്മയുടെ പാതയിലേക്ക് നയിക്കുന്ന ശക്തിയായി നമ്മുടെ ഗുരുക്കന്മാരുടെ അനുഗ്രഹം എന്നും നമ്മോടൊപ്പം ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഏവർക്കും അനുഗ്രഹീതമായ ഒരു ഗുരുപൂർണിമ ദിനം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ.